Welcome to English Talk Nova. You're not alone on this journey. We're always here with you.
Hey, you're doing amazing. Every step counts, and we're right beside you. Keep shining, keep learning. Let's make this journey fun.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about a moment many people never forget.
Your first time on a plane?
Exactly, your first flight.
Exciting and terrifying at the same time.
Before we continue, let me ask you something. Where were you sitting when the plane started moving faster and faster?
Window seat.
And did you notice the sound change? That low rumble turning into a roar?
Yeah, that sound makes everything real.
Your body is still on the ground, but your mind knows something big is about to happen.
You realize there's no turning back.
Do you remember the exact second you understood you were not on the ground anymore?
Yeah, that moment stays with you.
Because it's not just about flying, it's about trusting something new.
The airport was huge. Screens everywhere, people walking fast.
That's usually the first shock. Airports feel like a different world.
Everyone seemed to know where they were going, except me.
That's normal for a first flight.
I kept checking the screen again and again. Gate 23. Boarding. Delayed.
Those screens control your mood. One word can calm you, another can stress you.
When I saw delayed, my heart stopped for a second.
Delayed doesn't mean canceled. It just means waiting.
Waiting felt harder than flying.
At airports, you often hear phrases like check-in counter, boarding date, security check, final call.
Final call. That one sounds serious.
Because it is. That's the airport saying, if you're coming, now is the time.
That moment makes everything real.
And once you hear it, your journey has already started.
When I walked into the plane, I stopped for a second.
Why?
It felt smaller than I expected. Narrow aisle, rows of seats.
Everyone feels that. Planes always look bigger from the outside.
People were already sitting, putting bags up, looking for their seats.
That moment feels busy, but also quiet in a strange way.
The flight attendant smiled and said, "Welcome aboard."
That's a very common phrase. Welcome aboard.
Welcome aboard.
It means welcome to the plane, but it also feels like welcome to the journey.
Yeah, when she said that, it felt official.
That's the moment you realize there's no turning back.
Too late to change my mind.
Exactly.
I found my seat, window side.
Good choice for a first flight.
I sat down and thought, okay, I'm really doing this.
That's the beginning of every first flight, a mix of excitement and fear. Then came the takeoff.
The engine got louder. The plane started moving faster and faster.
And your body feels it.
My heart was beating fast. My hands were still. I thought, okay, this is really happening.
That moment scares many first-time flyers, not because it's dangerous, but because it's new.
The seat pushed me back. The ground started to disappear.
That's the exact second when fear and excitement meet.
And then, the wheels left the ground. No shaking. No noise in my head.
Just air.
I felt quiet inside.
That silence is special. It's the moment you realize you trusted something new, and it held you.
Yeah. Up there, everything felt smaller.
Problems, noise, fear.
I looked out the window. The city looked small.
That changes your perspective.
Cars looked like toys. Buildings like tiny blocks. People, invisible.
Up there, life feels quieter.
The clouds looked soft, but strong.
Just like people sometimes.
I thought about my worries, things that felt heavy before.
And
They didn't disappear, but they felt lighter.
flying teaches you how small problems can look from above.
Yeah, distance changes everything.
Not because the problems change, but because you do.
For the first time that day, I relaxed.
Sometimes all you need is a new angle. Did you talk to anyone?
Yes, the person next to me asked, "Is this your first flight?"
That's a very natural question. People ask it all the time.
I hesitated for a second.
That pause is normal.
I said, "Yes, it is."
Simple, clear, perfect English.
They smiled and said, "Enjoy it."
And just like that, a small conversation happens.
I didn't need big words. I didn't need perfect grammar.
Exactly. English is about connection, not performance.
That short sentence made me feel proud,
Because you used English in real life.
and it felt easy.
That's how confidence starts, one simple sentence at a time.
When the plane landed, everyone clapped.
Classic first flight moment.
I clapped too, without thinking.
That applause is never about the pilot. It's about the feeling.
I felt proud, not because it was hard, but because it was new.
First experiences matter.
I stepped off the plane and thought, I did it.
That sentence stays with you.
The fear didn't disappear, but it didn't control me anymore.
That's how growth works. You don't remove fear, you move with it.
After landing, everything felt lighter.
Because something inside you changed. Your first flight teaches you something important.
Fear doesn't disappear. You move forward with it.
Just like speaking English.
At first, it feels unfamiliar, strange, a little uncomfortable.
But you don't stop. You sit down, you listen, you breathe.
And slowly, it becomes normal.
Confidence doesn't arrive suddenly. It grows quietly.
One sentence, one conversation, one small moment.
If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to our channel and fly with us again.
And leave a comment below. Was your first flight exciting or scary?
We'd love to read your story.
New experiences start with one step or one flight. Bye, everyone. Bye, Taylor.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Jimmy. See you in next episode.